friends, welcome to the channel. You see this dosa is super crispy and yummy. Before that, click that red subscribe button. Thank you guys. Let's see. This dosa is super tasty and super delicious, super crispy, and I'm going to show you guys the best perfect dosa batter ever with the perfect measurement. I have a 4 cup rice and 1 cup urad dal. The ratio is like 1 to 4. If you take 1 cup urad dal is 4 cup rice, and half cup of poha, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seed, and 1 tablespoon salt. Guys, please check on my description below to get the perfect measurement for the recipe. Now I'm pour all the rice and I'm trying to wash it 3 times until get the clear water. Now I'm doing the same process to the urad dal and methi, which I'm wash it 3 times to get the clear water, and we're going to soak all separately. Guys, take this point, you guys need to soak it separately, urad dal and rice. And now I'm poured water to the poha and rinse it 1 time, and I'm soak it separately. Poha is a flattened rice. It's being the early stage of rice. Is give the crispiness and thickness to the batter. If you couldn't find the poha, you always can use cooked rice. Guys, now we can soak it this all grain for 6 to 8 hours. I always soak it overnight, so the early morning I can grind this batter. Guys, I'm going to show you guys, it's already 8 hours. It's early morning. The urad dal is become and plump. Guys, look at this. Now I'm draining the water and I'm save the soaking water for grinding. Now I do the same to the other rice to make sure I didn't have any extra water during the grinding process. So we're going to measure the water. I'm going to show you guys the perfect water measurements so we don't over water on the batter. So we're having the perfect dosa batter in this point. Now I did the same to the chana dal. So we can grind the chana dal and rice and poha with the urad dal. Friends, now I'm going to show you how to grind this dosa batter. First, today I'm using the stone grinder ultra. First I'm adding the water, then I start the machine. Add all the dals and I grind to the smooth paste. And I'm adding another cup water during the grinding process. So we already add 2 cup water. It's already 25 minutes. Now I'm showing guys the floating test. When you pour the urad dal, if you think the batter is ready, the batter should be float on the top of water. That means this perfect batter for the dosa. Once off the machine and transfer the urad dal batter inside the stainless steel container. The stainless steel container is important to maintain the temperature from the room temperature and the batter temperature to fermentation process. In the same grinder, I'm adding a 1 cup water, and now I'm adding the soaked rice and the chana dal, and we need to grind about 15 minutes. For grinding rice, it doesn't take much time. It's going to be faster. I'm also adding half cup water for this grinding the rice and chana dal. Total of water is about 3.5 cup water. See guys, the batter should be thin and loose. It's watery. That's the perfect. Now I'm showing guys how to combine the rice batter and the urad dal batter together. Now I'm adding the rice batter inside the urad dal batter in the same container. I try to get all the batter from the grinder as much I can, and now I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt. Friends, please use your hand to mix the batter because our body have a temperature. It's a body temperature is help to the fermentation process by mixing about 3 minutes to this batter. I'm trying to beat the batter as much I can so all the rice batter and urad dal batter will combine together nicely. Set this batter for fermentation for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After 8 hours, the batter is nicely fermented. You can see now it's double the size and full of bubble and become like a foam and thick. Now I'm showing you guys to store the batter. So I'm divided for 3 portion this batter. So each portion or can make 10 dosa. It's enough sufficient for my family. Each time I make 10 dosa. So I'm divided for 3 box of batter and store it with a airtight container, and I'm dated on. Now I'm showing guys how to make a dosa. Today I'm using iron cast. I'm checking the temperature. Make sure your dosa pan is clean, no oil. I'm pouring about 1.5 spoon of batter. I'm trying to spread it as thin much I can. Lid on the dosa and cook about 2 minutes. Look at this guys, the color getting changed. Now I'm applying some ghee all the edges and spread it nicely. Today I have a vegetable masala. I'm putting some podi. It's so delicious guys, smells so good, it's so yummy. Now we're going to get the spatula and try to run to the edge underneath. And try to get all the side and try to fold it. Otherwise your dosa are going to break apart. You fold it half. Look at that color guys, so brown and golden color. It's so crispy guys. Look at that. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make another dosa. It's a plain dosa. Okay, same thing, you fold it. That's it guys. So crispy outside. The dosa, everybody is going to enjoy this perfect dosa with a side potatoes, masala or chutney. I'm going to give it a try. It's so crispy outside. You can hear that crunchiness. And inside I have potato, vegetable masala and dipping chutney. So delicious guys. I hope you guys try my recipe, and don't forget click that red subscribe button. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.